Zip line. Mad. Crazy. Yes, there are a lot of you that say, you're mad. You're crazy, but you're sick. Well, everybody's got their thing that they love to do. I never thought I'd be doing anything like this. I never thought I would be flying through the sky. I never thought I'd be so high. I never thought that I'd be in the trees. But hey, it's fun. It's cool. It's relaxing. Yeah, man, me like it, you know. You see me? Are you saying ready? Yeah. Alright, you see real clear. So I'm going to hook myself up right about now, so. Alright, hooked up. 1, 2, 3. Eject me. Yes,
You break yourself.
Yeah, but I checking I breaking myself.
I hear you up there.
I do it that biggie.
Yeah.
Come to your pussy. Let me see that.
Talking about that. Pull up a little stiff.
Huh?
The brick.
Somebody always doing something to your pussy and seeing you and something, but yet still you don't want people. Girl, just hurry up and go down on that rope there.
Faster.
A little faster. That you tell them girls. That you tell them. Hey, pussy.
You can't keep up.
Yeah, okay, sir. We was a weak man.
Yeah, no, leave that down.